Morning, Tris. What's up, Dean? Did you pass your Blue Guardian eval? Hey, hola. Good morning. What do you mean pass? I only trade New York. Didn't you get it late Friday? I guess you don't trade afternoons either, so never mind. So we still have this huge gap right here that we need to fill sometime this week. I trade 9:30 to 11, yes. Well, today's your day, man. Been an up and day. Morning for me, trying to break 1500 in profit. I thought about going long during Asia, but it was too slow. Too slow for my liking. Alright, the 6 people that are in here, let's start off the morning strong with them likes. Let's get the likes up. If I can have 6 likes right now, I could probably end the stream with 10. I think that's a good start. That's a good Monday right there. I did good in Asia. 2 a.m. session was choppy. It was choppy all day, all night. We need to get out of this range right here, like from here to here. This is too much. I want to either go down, fill in this gap, or you know, if it wants to pump up, that works too. I smell a Judas swing here. It'll drop until 10. That works too. What's up, Giddy? Oh, put it way too high. Morning, philosopher. Morning, Jerome. Welcome back. Abdu Carpenter. Hello. One minute until market open. Here we go. Check out this drop. All right, here we go. Market's about to open. Good luck. Let's see if this is gonna pump up or go back down. Morning, Raf. Morning, Naya. Morning, E-Mini. Going up. Judas swing. Isn't it earnings soon? Let's see. Yeah, or a bunch of earnings this week. Interesting. Long back into overnight point of control. Morning, Drew. Welcome back. Let's see if the New York session burns me again. Oh yeah, I forgot you don't trade New York. I think it's fun, but it doesn't like me. Yeah. I had a pretty crazy trade on Friday. I was one tick away from TP and then reversed on me. Yeah, big rip. Right now, just waiting for 10 a.m. here to see if I want to get in a trade. I really need to count someone. Join the club, man. We all really need accounts. Lost that funded and that eval from giveaway, so I bought my one eval for the month using your code. I appreciate it, man. But hey, is that the one you got the payout from? If so, W. If not, still a W. I'm sure you're still net positive. The funded I had got a payout, so that felt good. Yeah, I mean, if you took $1,000 out, you know, I feel like you got your money's worth. You just never know when that gap is gonna fill. It doesn't have to be today or tomorrow or Wednesday. It could be any day. So hello, learner doctor. I'm kind of stuck right now because this cat is just chilling right here. Feel like a lot of the new week opening gap fill later in the week. Yeah. I think to me it looks random. Maybe there's a pattern to the madness, but what's for sure is that it does fill. Cat is a buy signal. The orange one, yeah. Usually the orange one is a buy signal. And looks like we're making a bull flag too. Oh, well. Dean has one. He has a Blue Guardian eval. I don't know where he got it from, but let's see if he's gonna make $1 million a month now. Morning, Kevin. I saw, you know, the Ridge, the wallet company, they're doing a giveaway, and the prize was a Lambo, a G-Wagon, and $100,000 in cash. And I really thought about it, and I think I want the cash. Or maybe if I wonder if I can get more money out of it if I just insta sold. What's up, Sumit? I would take the cash. Yeah. Totally not into cars. Drive the car for a little and sell the car. Yeah. I mean, I don't know the value these days. That's why. That's how little I'm into it. I'm sure there's a contract on how long you have to keep the car. Yeah. In that case, I'll take the cash. Take the cash, pay 50% in taxes. Easy. Taxes, are you talking Spanish? Didn't I tell you that IRS is in the chat? Oh, wait, you're just joking. I forgot. With the car, you also have to pay insurance and worry about that thing getting stolen. Yeah, stolen or, you know, parts taken out of. Seems like a headache to me. Still think you would make more on the car. Like, I wouldn't even want to drive it. So it's like, I would only be interested if I could get someone to take care of all the paperwork and stuff and sell it. Maybe then, you know, they get a little bit of the cut. I'll do that. Otherwise, I'm taking the cash. I'll take it to the track, then sell it as lightly used. Yeah, I don't even want to do that. Oh yeah, so if you take the car, right, as your prize, you still have to pay taxes on the value of the car, right? So how much is that? A lot. So I feel like unless you have some serious cash lying around, you probably shouldn't take the car. At least with cash, you can just, you know, take off the tax amount right away. Depends on how they transfer the title. Okay. So are you saying it's not really yours in the beginning or something? Or they kind of break it apart? Break apart the ownership? Because you pay sales tax on title transfers, so if they own the car and sell it to you for $0, all you'd pay is the title fees and stuff. Really? So what? IRS is gonna be like, yeah, that sounds fine. That sounds good to us. At least that's how it worked when I flipped the car. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe there's a loophole, but it seems like that's a lot of money that, a lot of money potential that IRS is giving up. What's up, Scott? Thank you. Hello, Smooth. You had to pay taxes on the value of the car. That's what I thought too, but it's more of like that general guideline of like whatever the prize is, you have to pay taxes on the value of the prize, right? So maybe there's a loophole if it's a car. Who knows? But I do wonder if there are any interesting stories where when people win cars, like in like Price is Right or something, they end up having to go into debt just to pay taxes. I don't know. That sounds like not a good deal. News at 10. Okay. It might work different on a giveaway thing, but I got a car sold to me for $0 because it was a shitbox. When I took it to the DMV, I only had to pay the title fees because sales tax on $0 is zero. Yeah, I mean, if the value of the car is actually zero because it's so worthless, then yeah. But you can't say the value of a Lambo is zero. You sold it for $2,500. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think it'd be different if it's a giveaway, because when you do a giveaway, you have to disclose what the value of the price is or prize is. I think probably for that purpose. Probably giveaway laws and sweepstakes laws are different. Yeah, I think it is. You got a 3D printer? I feel like it could be useful. I think that's why on car giveaways, they give you a car and cash on most of them. The cash offsets the taxes. Are you saying you pay the taxes with the cash that you win? Yes, okay. I mean, I've never won a car before, so I wouldn't know. The way it works in sweepstakes is you have the option to take the physical win or the cash value, but no matter what, you pay the full tax amount on the product that you have won. Yeah, that's my understanding as well. So if you're gonna win a Lambo, you better get some cash out of it too. I know this because my wife is a sweepstaker. She has won pretty large prizes. All right, you too, Scott. Love the Lucid Daily, by the way. All right, cool. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. I would go for the intraday DLL on option, honestly, for the eval, just to keep it cheap. It's cheaper than Flex right now. And then once you're funded, it's like, it's a daily payout plan. As long as you can make enough to lock in that trailing drawdown, then it's a good account. She's never won a car, but she has won several motorcycles, street, and dirt bikes. What? I assume she took the cash, though, every time. I did intraday with 1200 stop. Was easy to pass. Yeah. So you did get the cheapest one. Cheapest configuration. Good stuff, man. $92.50, yeah. I think Flex is like 93, so it's like a little bit cheaper. Absolutely, every time we always take the cash, yeah. It's just. I mean, unless you're super into bikes and cars, right? It's just never worth it. The insurance, the depreciation. But I'm not gonna like blanket say that it's a waste because some people are into it and good for you. You do you, you know? One of the most inconvenient things she wanted was a canoe, and they wouldn't allow her to take the cash prize, so UPS delivered it to her house. How does she win so many things? I've never won anything in my life. Bring her to the duck race. I mean, Kevin did win last week, so I think the whole family is pretty lucky there. She's part of several different sweepstakes groups. I didn't know there was a group for this. They focus on high probability wins, finding sweepstakes that are not very well known. Oh, wow. There is a group for anything, honestly. Recession indicator. You know what's the real recession indicator? If your delivery driver starts looking real attractive. That's how you know we're in a recession. Also, they're looking for sweepstakes that have multiple steps to enter. Most people never read the full instructions, only complete the first step. I see. And by law, every sweepstakes need a free way to enter, right? So if you read the fine print, you can always enter it for free. I mean, it's kind of tedious, right? But you don't have to pay any money for every one of them. A hot Grubhub driver. The Dixie must be down. Yeah. That's what you need to look for. I mean, I mean, I've been a gig worker, delivery driver, whatever, so I know the ins and outs. Even though it's been a few years now, but man, things must be brutal. I know it's so oversaturated. All right, could be a long here. All right, I might get in a trade here. I think it could be a forever long. Unless we like come down super fast, I'm gonna enter pretty much like top of this area, 75, 90. Still pretty early in the hour, so most likely I'll be filled. You win, I win. That's true. Where you go long or short? I'm going long. The top of the hourly range is here. So we broke out, closed back inside, and we picked a direction to go higher. So I'm gonna go for long here. No 10 a.m. reversal today. Don't buy at the top. I mean, it's like almost at the top. I'm so good at buying at the top, you know? This is 100% a W. Wow. I'm in long with 3 contracts on the M2K. I've hit TP1 so far. Very nice. I feel like I'm too late. Oh, everybody's long here. Is it Lucid or Apex? I haven't decided yet. Probably Apex because we did Lucid last week. Or last Friday. Alright, 75, 90, 25 cents. We are already coming down, so maybe I have a good shot. I don't know. My TP's right at this wick, so targeting over 100 points. Very nice. Posted a screenshot. Alright, let me check. Yeah, go join the Discord. I do giveaways on there too. I think it ends today. When does it end? Wait, did I not do a giveaway? Oh, I didn't. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it later today. Like the stream or else the market will crash. What if they want it to crash, you know? Low probability of 15-minute at your stop. What does that even mean? Hello, Miss K. You say you're giving too much away. Right now I'm okay. Cause like I haven't been giving out like 3 or 4 on the stream, so I've been conservative. A 15-minute fair value gap below my entry. Okay. Thank you. I need the luck. Looks good, Kevin. Looks like you're gonna hit your second TP. Did you fall into the ICT craze? He is ICT, man. Well, he still needs to prove that it's him, but I still have 40 minutes to get filled, so I'm not sweating. I'm just chilling, waiting. Oh, what was I gonna do? I would say to look into why you believe ICT candle structure is valid enough to predict the future price action, because from what I've found it has same success rate as any other strat when tested. See, Drew, you don't understand Dean, you know? He called out targets live. It's all in the Discord. It's all been proven. I've seen ICT lose every trade live as well. That's because the market makers, man. The market makers are going for his stops. You don't understand. I mean, I go through that too, so I think it's for sure possible. Might be coming down. My vendetta is with ICT himself, not people who adopt the same strategy and change it to fit how they trade. I still need to catch up on ICT and Patrick's drama. I keep putting it off. Now it's like old news. Might be rolling over here. Hello, W. Took one MNQ off. Seems pretty calm for New York right now. Not too many like fake outs. What's up, Jose? Do I get my Funday Futures giveaways? No. I'm too small. I'm too much of a small fish to get any accounts there. Okay, and now I'm starting to be convinced that we're gonna come down because we keep failing to go higher here. I hope this is not a reversal. My TP is like right above here, so. $110. The pump failed again. How many times are we gonna fail? Long 86. Oh, 88? Okay. That's closer to mine. It's not coming down, guys. The time is ticking. Deleting it. I'm staying. I'm staying until 11. No chance it's coming down. $18 minutes left. I mean, we are rejecting at the top here. But it's gonna come down in 17 minutes. Alright, I guess I'm not getting filled here. I think it's discussions about strategy is misguided because there's no winning here, right? There is no answer, so there's no point. You're not gonna convince anybody over the internet. So even starting the discussion is a losing battle. So don't even start. And people hate to be wrong too, right? People hate to be wrong, so they're gonna get defensive. No one's gonna be like, you know what, you're right. Let me just admit that I'm wrong and listen to you. So whatever you want to do, you do you. It's your money. Who cares? It's your time. It's your effort. Even when I'm right, I'm wrong. Right. As long as you know your truth, you don't need to convince anybody else. Right? That's why I encourage anybody who says they made $20,000 today. Keep going, man. You don't need to share your alpha. Just you do you, man. You make that money. You don't have to share. It's a slow personal journey for people to change their minds in trading. Yeah, look at me. I'm the proof. I feel like I'm a different person compared to a year ago. Seven minutes. No trade for me. See you next day. All right, so it's almost 11, so yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, man. This move on NQ was crazy. Oh yeah, NQ went up way more, huh? Have you ever considered moving to MNQ? No, I have not. I cannot handle NQ, even MNQ. You're up 1-0. Yeah. Pretty calm day. Other than the market open, that crazy reversal, nothing too crazy today. Send 2 screenshots showing my trade from earlier. Where's the other variant? The one with the arrows. I like that one better. Alright, I'm canceling this order. Oh my god, don't make me change my lines last minute. Oh, equal highs right there. What are we doing, Price? We're just gonna keep going up or what? How long you trading today? All day, man. Oh, how long am I streaming? Only until this hour. And then I gotta go do my stuff. But I'll be watching the market the whole day, yeah. I can't believe we haven't gone outside the range when we're so close. Everybody's short. Sounds like propaganda. I see what you market makers are doing, trying to get me to go short. All right, we're going back up. My Apex account is over the amount needed for a payout, but I have to make it for the consistency rule. Yeah, that's a pain. Just almost a double the amount needed. It resets after the payout, so I can lower my take profit, make 50 bucks, get another payout. I have no idea what that means, but I assume you know what you're doing. Might call it here soon. Okay. Sounds fair. Is today a day off for you, or is this gonna be a more regular thing? Trading New York. You need to make 6,600 for a payout. I'm at 9,000. I have to get 13K after max payout. I'll still be up 4,000 to get another payout. So 9,000 is max payout, I'm assuming. Why do you say you have to make 6,600 for a payout, but then you say you have to get 13,000? It was a day off. Maybe in a week or two, I'll trade New York more, but I'm going to get my real estate license soon, so it'll take up most of my days. By the way, getting it mainly to learn real estate law so I can buy and sell my own properties in the future. Cool. Yeah, I like that. I thought about doing that too, but I didn't get to it. $66 is that question amount. 13,000 is to satisfy the consistency rule that resets after a payout. Yeah, you lost me there. I might be too stupid, but good luck, man. You're talking way too big of numbers that I've never seen before, so bro gambled with 15 minis. Who? The guy who needed 13K. I think he trades like maybe 2 minis, 3 minis, but he just holds on for a long time. Like almost swing trading. Three minis. Okay, I was close. Whoa, what happened? Why is it getting rippy? I wonder if we're going down now. I might short this, but I'm not too sure on the direction yet. Looks like it's a short, but it could bounce back. Yo, Lano. Is my top set frozen? Okay, now it's back. Yeah, I think it's a short. Alright, I'm gonna short 607 and 25 cents. I think. Alright, I'm on the boat, guys. I'm in the shore with you. My target's like down here. Why is it coming up so fast? Don't like that. All right, everybody's shorting with me. There we go. We're finally aligned. Might hit the gym soon. I'd be interested in a potential long back into the POC of this range, but I would need the price to come down more. Oh, it's gonna go down. Don't worry. Let's see if I get filled. All right, it's looking like it's gonna come up. I don't think it's gonna go down like this. Oh yeah, I'm getting filled. Here it comes. All right, it's coming back up. I thought I missed it by 2 ticks there. Wait, why is it going down? Bruh. All right, it's coming back up. We're good. We're good. We're coming back up. It just needed to do a little bit more edging here. No way we're gonna drop here, right? No way. What is this slow grind? Crazy.
Order filled.
Okay, I guess I'm in, even though it doesn't. Oh, I'm in on MES, but not on ES. That's funny. Okay, now I'm in everywhere. Of course, we're gonna get a crazy green candle into my entry, as always. No surprise there. My TP is right at the bottom of this wick, so I'm hoping we could go back down and tag this low. That's all I want. I'm just gonna chill, you know. Order filled. No stress. Can you guys see my P&L moving? Yeah. This is called stress-free trading. Stick a fork in it. I'm just like not even phased. My stop loss is way up here. Plenty of room. No need to stress. I'm not even watching the trade right now. I'm just looking at chat. Don't be negative. The market feeds up negativity. You need to speak words of affirmation. Otherwise, the Bollinger Bands will get mad and pump the market to the upside. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, you know? I'm just thinking positive thoughts. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip to the downside, you mean? See how calm I am? I don't feel anything right now. You can't stop looking. It's funny, I tell you guys I'm not even watching, but I have the chat right here, and then I have the trade right here, and also my trading view right here, so I can't stop watching. It's everywhere for me. Two green candles need one red. You're definitely feeling it now as it hits a new high. Uh this is not me pacing, okay? Just so you guys know. We're finding support at 50 EMA. That's why I was a bit hesitant on the short. We could still get it. I wanted to see push lower before going for a long scalp. I mean, ideally, I want to see some sort of like a hard rejection, but this is just grinding to go higher. I'm not nervous at all, guys. See, we're back to my entry. Easy. Totally zen. ES entry not hit. I'm in it. I'm in the trade. Screenshot. So you're gonna wait until we hit the middle line? Just got super glue. Oh, yikes. Why is it going back up? Black circles where I want to enter. Yeah. That's where I want it to go. You might get in this long. I don't know, man. Is it a long or is it a short? Okay, why is it going up so much? Why? Hold on, let me check. All right, if I lose this, I have one more trade. One more trade in my tank. It's a bullish trend. That is true. But you could see the hourly candles getting smaller and smaller, right? So in theory, we're going to see a reversal pretty soon here. But I'm not sweating. Although, ideally, I would love to see a big red candle pretty soon here. Old saying, trend is your friend. Trend is your friend until it backstabs you. It's one of those days where you watch price keeps climbing. I'm happy 1-0. Annoyed, really. Okay. All right, philosopher. I'll see you tomorrow. Pull it bites you in the end, yeah. Exactly. Man, if we make a new high here, I'm so cooked. As soon as I said that, it just did. Man, such a strong bullish move right here. Never short the market is the lesson today. You're in a similar position. Are you short? Are you short or long? Wait, where are all the people that told me to go short? Why are you guys quiet now? You're shorting? Okay. Passed my first eval today after 8 months of suffering. Good job, man. That's a good feeling. Why don't you leave Cali if you work remote? That's a good point. I don't really have a good reason other than I like it here. I only have 3 points left. I mean, I can't argue with the weather. I want to say the weather is great, but it's not. It's so hot here. I mean, not as hot as like the actual desert, like Arizona, but still. It's not ideal. You took it slow? Well, make sure you don't blow your funded either, take it slow. Don't get greedy. can't believe I saw zero time in profit. It's all been a drawdown the whole time. That's how wrong I am. Taking this trade on another eval? Okay. Good. Never been to Cali, so I'm sure it's great, but I wouldn't ever live near one of those cities. Yeah, I'm not in like the heart of LA or whatever, or San Francisco. If you get out in the suburbs, it's better. Do I have a standing desk? Yes. I feel like my lifestyle is too sedentary, so I'm trying to like improve. Trying to get some movement in there. Oh my god. Look at that pump. I'm so cooked. Stopped out, okay. I'll see you around. A lot of people think Cali is very blue, but outside the city it seems very diverse when it comes to ideology. Yeah. It has all every part of the spectrum, I would say. So it's more blue obviously, but it could be purplish. Do I have any hobbies? My hobby is trading. Honestly. Other than that, I don't know. Watch TV. Recently taken up archery. That's hardcore. That's crazy. I mean, I'm only losing $100, right? So the micro thing is a godsend for me. So I'm not sweating. Seriously. It's been a lot of fun. It allows me to get out of the house. Yeah, that sounds cool. I feel like I'd be into shooting guns more than archery. But I'm doing neither. I just don't like to go outside, you know? How much more will this go up? It's gonna go up until my stop loss and then go down. It's how it always is. Anthony, you want a giveaway, man? Go claim it. I have a 2020, I think, but it's a Hoyt. Man, all these jargons that I don't understand. He's usually in here. He comes and goes. I think he says hi in the morning and he disappears. I've only been doing it for about 2 months now. I haven't bought my first bow. I'm looking at Hoyt Podium. Where do you even go to shoot arrows? Like, is there a shooting range for just arrows? Archery club, eh? That's cool. There's one in Santa Clara, next to me. You take any trades today? I'm in a trade right now, Smooth. Can't you see me losing money? Hundreds of dollars. Yeah, I'm getting cooked right now. I've been just in a drawdown the whole time. Yeah, I'm in a short. Almost got stopped out. Maybe it's starting to turn around. I don't know. But this could be a pullback to go higher. If it hits your TP, I might get an entry. I mean, I don't think I'm being too greedy here. I'm just wanting to, go for this low. I'm in too early. It's not finished going up. Okay. That's fine. I'll lose $100. Biola. Alright, we might go higher here. Yeah, this pump looks way too strong. Wait until 12:30 or 1 too short. Too late now. Do or die. Lucid is due for another promo. Yeah, I thought they're gonna come out with something with Lucid Daily, but I guess not. Maybe they know they're too big now, so they don't need to do it anymore. That would be lame. Yeah. I'm sure they'll do something. Lucid ripped all the prop firm within 1 year. Yeah. I remember like it's yesterday. It was like Thanksgiving or Black Friday when they went crazy. Is there any like holiday coming up? Few years back, topstep was the best form. True. We have Labor Day coming up in September. I like Apex. Their $60 all-in is a good deal. Yeah. I would say so. $60 for a 100K account. It's a good deal. Where is the... Oh, you know what's interesting? I'm sure it's just a coincidence, but the hourly low is my TP right here. So, interesting coinkydink. When it dumps, it'll slice through your TP. I hope so. I don't want what happened last Friday. What was the price or offer in Black Friday from Lucid? I mean, it's just when they came out with Lucid Flex for the first time, and people loved it. So it wasn't more cheaper than, I mean, I guess it was cheaper than what it is right now, but it wasn't like crazy cheap. Sure, one MNQ. All right, let's go. Pile on the short, guys. Let's bring the market down. We can do it. If everyone watching here started shorting, we can bring the market down. None of us have the power to move the market on prop firms. Well, I'm just saying the people that are watching my stream. I think we do. Nobody else. If you will it, it'll happen. You just gotta believe. It's a gamble, but I'm in it with you. It's never been a gamble with me, so you're good, man. You just gotta trust. Full port sim to move real money sounds legit. Yeah. You guys are just you guys just don't have faith. You can't logic faith, okay? You just gotta believe. Believe and go on with no stop loss. Yes, that's another level of faith. DCA short. We still have long ways to go, guys. I'm not out of the water yet. I'm still underwater, very much so. Buyers looking weak. They look weak until they're not. Okay, it's the same thing as the trend. It looks trend is your friend until it's not. Very far away from VWAP, so it'll definitely drop eventually. I hope it's now. How long has it been since I got in? Almost 45 minutes. Yeah, there you go. Buyers stepping in right there. Here comes the short squeeze. So far, it looks like a bull flag, if you believe in it. Added one more MNQ. Ooh, I don't know about that, Drew. Now you're gambling. It's a tight trade, okay. Yeah, I mean that's a pretty decent move up. Yeah, still looks bullish. Dump is confirmed. I don't know, man. I don't think this is a dump. All right, GG guys. That was very anticlimactic. We had a chance, I thought. And I'm out. Yeah, I'm about to get tagged out right here. Man, it just refuses to go down. Ba ba ba. You covering means I win? I doubt it, but I'd appreciate it. Alright, have fun, man. Have a good rest of your day. Just put me out of my misery, man. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Whoa. Always do the opposite of my trade, okay? If you went long here, literally zero drawdown. Easy. Market rage baiting me? Yeah. It's gonna do all this and then it's gonna eventually stop me out anyway. So, literally wasting my time as long as possible. Even if we go down, it might bounce off of my entry and then go back up. And then stop me out. Or maybe it'll stop me out right here. What's up, trading on tilt? Because you have work, you're only for this hour. Market said wait. Yeah, it's eating into my work time right now. Oh, looks like I'm getting stopped out right here. It was never a short. Got your steps in for the day, pacing. I swear I'm not pacing, okay? This trade, it's nothing to me. It doesn't phase me. Triple top? No way. Almost an hour in this trade right now. There it goes. All right. GG guys. Is this the longest trade you've ever been? No. My longest is like 2 hours. Market loves to rage bait me. Yeah. It's always how it is. Stop filled. Stop filled. Come on, stop filled. Stop filled. Anytime now. It's going to dump right after your SL hits. Yep.
Stop filled.
There it is, guys. Now it's gonna dump. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful SL hit. Now it's dumping. Alright, let's update the title. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I gotta go. Stream a little bit overtime today, but that's cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.